Today we will see the quick revision for list in Python. List. List in Python is used to store sequence of items belonging to any type. If we want to create a list, we will use square sign and the items will be separated by comma. Item of list are mutable. That mean to say item can be changed or modified in list. I am going to create a list named list1. So list1 is having 5 items 10, 15, 20, 25 and 30. Each item is separated by a comma. Suppose I will press enter. One list is created. I want to see the list of item list1. I can see 10, 15, 20, 25 and 30. If I will type the command type list1, so I can see it is of list type. Now I am going to create another list. List2 consists of vowels. So I can see here you can observe that square brackets are used to create the list. Now I am going to create another list of some state MP, UP, CG, AP. List 4 has been created. If I will type list 4, I can get the items. If I will write list 4 with some parameters, suppose 2, so there is an error. But if I will write like this list 4 and square bracket 2, I can see CG. The index number start from 0 in MP0, UP1, CG2, AP3 in terms of string manipulation. But when we are talking about the list 0, 1, 2, so here CG is printed when we are providing 2. Now I am using a command len, len of list 4. So list 4, the output is 4. Why? Because there are 4 elements. Len is used to count the number of elements. Now I want to see the items in list 4. I will simply type list 4. It will run MP, UP, CG and AP. And if I will type list 4 with number 3, that means to say AP will be printed. We can replace the item. Let us see. List 4 with 2 equals to, within double quotation I am going to write double x. Now I want to print the elements of list 4. You can see the item CG is replaced by double x. We can add the item in an existing list. In an existing list, an item can be added. There are two ways, using append command or using extend command. When we are using append command, it is possible to add only one item at a time. If you want to add only one item, you can use append command, and if you want to add one or more item or multiple items at a time, you can use extend command. You can see this example. List F is having two items 44 and 55. We have printed. Then append command is used to add another element 77. Then 77 is added. But if we want to add two items, error will occur. In the same way, in extend, if I will add simply by providing the value 77, it will produce error. If you want to add one item, you can give in this manner, and if you want to add one or more items, it should be in the form of list. So here it is successful. Now we can see list 2 is having the vowels, list 4 is having MP, UP, XX, AP, list 2 plus list 4. Let us see what happens. Now it means two lists can be added. Now del command is used to delete an item from the list. Our list 2 is this, del list 2, and within bracket I am providing 2. 2 means third item, that is I in uppercase. So again we can check the items. Now you can see there are 5 items in a list. Now there are only 4 items. So delete command has deleted one item that is in the index number 2 and sequence number 3. Replicate function can used in list also in the same way as we are using in string. Suppose I am going to write list 2 asterisk 4 a e o u has been printed 4 times. Now we are going to take a glance in the functions that is being used in list in Python. Insert function. Insert function is used to insert an element to the list at the desired index position. That means we can add any element in any position. The syntax is list name dot insert 2, 100. Here you can see 21, 31, 41 is there. 0, 1, 2. Index number 2, 100 is inserted and 41, 51 has been shifted to the right hand side. So insert function is used to insert any element and any location. Remove function is used to remove the item from the list. We have removed 41 from the list. 21, 31, 51 is removed. Pop function is also used to delete an item from the list, but we use index number. Index. This function returns the index number of any element in the list. 51 we have given. The index number is 3. Clear function is used to remove all the items in the list. There will be no item in the list, but the list will exist. Next function is count function. Count function is used to find the number of items in a list. Here 1 occurred 3 times, 7 occurred 2 times and 100 occurs 0 times in the list. Maximum function, as its name shows, it returns the maximum value from the list. In the same way, minimum function is used to return the minimum of the item in the given list. Len function is used to print or provide the total number of elements in a given list. Python provides two very good functions in a list. First one is reverse. Reverse function reverse the position of element in a list. You can see the elements are 11, 22, 33, 44 and 55. Reverse function is used so items are reversed 55, 44, 33, 22 and 11. And sort function is used to keep the element in an order 4, 6, 2, 8. There's no order in this. Now sort function is used like this. So when we see the element in a list like 1, 2, 3, 4, 8, 6, 8, 11. If you want to change the order in descending order, you can use reverse function after sort. That much is enough for today. And in our list, we have seen the important points because you have already studied in class 11. So go through it from the book also. Okay, thank you.